Cooking for two guys.
Hey guys, and this week on Cooking for Two Amigos,
Ole.
we have the Goro Guapo Pollo Bacon Jalapeno Frijole
Hola,
QuesoZilla.
uno,
At bacon, turipan,
beans, the magical fruit.
hola! Sizzly bacon. The bacon cuddled together for safety. Little do they know, they have no chance. And now for a seasoning report. On tonight's episode, we have adobo, little onion powder,
Garlic powder.
we have a few twists of salt and pepper, and also don't forget your favorite, the one, the only.
A Mexican's tears.
Sprinkle little tears, y'all. Drain some of that grease. We're gonna reuse that pan. Hey, there's the pan. Now you put in the pollo. Warning, the following footage may be graphic for any vegans or meat haters out there.
Bacon bits.
Chop the bacon, chop the bacon, chop the bacon. And here we have fresh bacon bits.
Lehman and Lyman.
Here come the Zest brothers, Lehman and Lyman, getting naughty with this chicken breast. Ha ha ha, Lehman and Lyman, you kill me.
Can't forget our garlic friend.
Holy free howlies.
The jalapeno gets sliced and diced and tossed in the pan.
Now chop that cooked chicken into nice little pieces so you can eat it in your...
QuesoZilla.
Hola.
Looks like Lehman and Lyman have joined a pan hot tub with some jalapeno and that little plum guy. Add the tortilla to a nice buttery pan and get it crispy before we chock it full of delicious goodness. And the delicious goodness is some queso, some frijoles, some pollo, some jalapenos, some bacon, and a little extra cheese on the top. After it's all loaded, flip it over and let it cook on the other side.
Oh boy, that is melty.
Now rip it! Rip it good! Some fresh avocado to go on the top.
Oh shit. What have we made? Well, hola, mi amigos. We made a stuffed quesadilla that I can barely even pick up. It is so stuffed. Oh yeah. I just gotta rip it off, I guess. Like, Jesus. Look at that. Got a jalapeno. I'll make it a spice. Get a little saucy sauce. Salsa. Cheers. Fucking delicious. Some good shit.